Question number exercise 90, question number 1a. Now this is the question. When you look at, you can see that um, it is in the form. What is the form mean? Okay, known to distance, length, and the angle in between. Then it is easy. It means uh, area of triangle ABC is half a times 78 point times 8.6 times sine 45, or you can mix it, doesn't matter. Half a times 8.6 times 7.8 sine 45. You don't need any equation, but to as a theory we want to write area of triangle is half a AB sine C. So this is the theory. You don't need to look at the theory. You just check whether you know the two lengths and the angle is in between. That's it. And this answer is going to be 23.7 cm square. Part B is uh, straightforward. Area of triangle ABC is half a times, right? Two lengths inside the two known lengths and angle inside. So then that's why 3.5 times 2.5 times sine 100, which is going to be 4.31 square. Part C, it is easy. Again, area of triangle ABC is half a, let's test, do the testing, is known angle, sorry, known length, and angle between this known length. Yes, that's fine. 64 times 64 times sine 80, which is going to be 20.2 cm square. Exercise 90, question 2, part A. And you can see this is 30 and 40. If we know this angle, then we can find the area. If the area is given, then only we can find this angle. So 4 cm square. So area of triangle is 400 cm square, and area of triangle is half a 30 times 40 times sine x. Hence, from both you can write, hence um, half 30 times 40 times sine x equal 400. So half 30 times 40 times sine x equal 400. 0, 0 cancel out. This is cancel out. 4 to 4 cancel out. So this is going to be 1. Remaining is 1. And then this is 3 remaining here. Sine x equal 2 over 3. X equal sine inverse 2 over 3. So this value is going to be 41.8. So this answer is 41. This is 41.8 degrees. But unfortunately, there is another answer for this one. So this is an issue with this book, I believe, sometime, because when you solve the equation x equal uh, sine x equal 2 over 3, then x equals sine inverse 2 over 3, sine inverse 2 over 3. There are two answers. One is 41.8 and other one is 180 41.8. This is only valid for sine. So this is going to be 138. So answer is 130. It means there are another triangle. If I draw here, same A, C, B, and that is 138, and that is 400, and this is 30 centimeter and 40 centimeter. So there are two x's. So it will match with when the angle 41.8, it will give the same marks, and when the angle is 138, it will give the same 400. At present, the only way we can handle this part, the second one, just learn as it is. It means there is something that you need to find 180 minus to get the other angle. But very soon we are going to learn how to solve the equation like this and why you have two angles like this. Then basically this is a temporary situation that you don't know. Without knowing that, you are applying it, right? For example, if you found out uh, sine x is half, then you are going to solve sine x is half, then x equal sine inverse half, right? So then you should know that one answer is 30. You can get the calculator. Other one is 180 minus 30. This is 30 and this is 120 basically. Two answers. For the time being, that's all you need to know. And from next chapters, we are going to discuss how to solve the trigonometric equation like this and why there are two answers. Another way, if I show it differently, this one. Assume you have a machine. This machine will read, when you give the data, this 30 and 40, it will read the angle and the area, right? They will ask what is the length, what is length 1, right? So length 1 is 30. What is length 2? Length 2 is 40. When you submit to this machine, the machine will read and then they will give so many answers. X equal 30, the area is different answer, 334, something like that. And you will see suddenly that when angle is 41.8, you can see one reading is 400 area. And also you will see another reading when the angle is 138, again you get 400. So then you have two answers. If you make a machine from this to measure the area versus angle, this is the machine. Now area of triangle is half a 6.5, 8.5, and the middle sine x. Then area of triangle is 12.5 cm square. Hence, half a 6.5 times 8.5 sine x equal 12.4. Then sine x equal 12.4 times 2 cross multiply, divide by 6.5 times 8.5, then x equals sine inverse 12.4 times 2 over 6 point times and 8 point times, and then when you look at, you will get the sine inverse answer as 26.7. 26.7, let's say approximately 27, or we'll stay with 26.7 degrees. Then we should know the other answer is part 1. The answer is 180 minus 26.7, which is 153.3. Part C is area of triangle is half a 8 times 6 times sine x, then area of triangle is 12 square root 3, then the conclusion is hence half a 8 times 6 times sine x equal 12 square root 3. So the theory, area of triangle is half a AB sine C. So this is the theory you are using, and then you can simplify this one. Okay, sine x equal 2 times 12, 24 square root 3 divided by 8 times 6. So it means sine x equal square root 3 over 2. So x equals sine inverse square root 3 over 2 means 60. So one answer is 60, the other answer is 180 minus 60, which is 120. As I said, you just do it this second one, 180 minus 60. You will soon know that why it is. Number 3, and always try yourself first and then look at the discussions. So sum is like this, and they want total length of fencing. It means they want to find 60 plus 80 plus this length. Let's say this length y. How we can find this y? Any way of doing it? Um, this is um, so we want to show this one. This is 150 as well. So the area is given. We want to show this is 150. Now, if we know this angle, then by cosine rule, this one no, this one no, I can find this distance. Then I can find the area, the total length. Then for that I need to know this one. This one I can find, like exercise 2. Area is given, this two lengths given, and I need to find the middle angle in between. So I can find. So if I take this is x, then area of triangle is half a, so write the rule for that one. Area of triangle is half a by sine c. Then this is going to be half a 60 times 80, and 80 sine x. Again, area of triangle is given 1200 square meter, hence half a 60 times 80 equal 1000 sine x equal 1200. So sine x equal 1200 times 2 divided by 60 times 80. So I can see that this is going to be half, because 0 0 cancel out, 12 times 2, 4, 24, 8 times 6, 48. So 24 and 48, half. So sine x is half. X is sine inverse half, which is, so you have one answer is sine inverse half. So one answer is 30 and second answer is 150. 150 means 180 minus 30, which is 150. So now they are directing us to not to go for 30, go for to 150, because they asked to, they show that, show this is 150. Then we have to take that 151. Now we know mm, to distance. Now see that it whether it is fulfilled for cosine rule. Yes, for cosine rule it works. So I'm going to write y square mean 16 square plus 8 square minus 2 times 80 times 60, 60 times 80 times cos 150, which is 18,313.84. Then y equal 135.3. And then we need the perimeter. So I'll round up this one. Y is approximately 135. Then this is 135. Then the perimeter equal 60 plus 80 plus 135, which is going to be 275 meters. Area of triangle ABC equal half x plus 2 times x sine 150, half this one times sine 150. So area of, first of all write the rule, area of triangle is half AB sine C. Then then again area of triangle ABC is 5 square meter, 5 square centimeter given. Then half x plus 2 times x sine 150 is 5. Half times x plus 2 times x sine 150 mean uh, half again 5. So this is going to be x times x plus 2 equal 2 times 2 4, 4 times 20. X square plus 2x minus 20 equals 0. So we have to use the quadratic formula, x equal minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac over 2a minus b mean minus b mean 2 minus 2 plus or minus b square mean 2 square minus 4 times a mean 1, c mean minus 20 over 2 times a mean 1. So when you simplify, you will get minus 2 plus or minus square root 84 over 2, which is one answer is 3.58, the other answer is minus 5.58. So x is a distance. So x is a distance, hence x can't be negative, hence x should be 3.58. Question number 5. So this is the sum. PR is 5 minus, this is x plus 2, and in between angle 30, we want to find the area A. So the rule first, half AB, area half AB sine C, and then area of triangle PQR is half a x plus 2, 5 minus x sine 30. So PQR area of triangle also A. Hence A equal half a x plus 2, 5 minus x sine 30, which is half a x plus 2, 5 minus x sine 30 mean again half. It means 1 over 4 x plus 2, 5 minus x. It means 1 over 4. This is going to be 5x minus x square plus 10, 2 times 5 minus 2x. This means 1 over 4 minus x square plus 3x plus 10. So the answer is in this form, 1 over 4, 10 plus 3x minus x square. Okay. Now part B, use the method of completing square to otherwise find the maximum value of A. So we want to find the maximum. Why we tell maximum? Because now when you look at this one, you can see quadratic equation. Quadratic equation and A value is negative, then it's going to be this kind of a graph. So that's why they are using the word maximum. So this is no more trigonometric. Now it is going to be a quadratic equation. Following quadratic equation. Know how to solve quadratic equation. So A equal 1 over 4 minus x square plus 3x plus 10. So 1 over 4 minus, when you take out x square minus 3x minus 10. So minus 1 over 4 x square minus 3x minus 10. So this is minus 1 over 4 times this one, x minus 3 over 2 square minus 3 over 2 square minus 10. So minus 1 over 4 x minus 3 over 2 square, this one, minus 9 over 4 minus 10, which is minus 49 over 4, and this is 49 over 4. The calculation, now we'll expand this one, minus 1 over 4 x minus 3 over 2 square plus 49 over 16. Now the maximum will occur when x equal 3 over 2. When you x equal 3 over 2, the value A value is 49 over 16, or 3 1 over 16. The second technique is when you learn the differentiation, you can differentiate this one. So this is going to be A is minus x square over 4 plus 3 over 4x plus 10 over 4. dA over dx equal minus 2x over 4 plus 3 over 4. Then dx equals 0. Then 2x 4 over plus 3 over 4 minus equals 0. Then 2x over 4 equal 3 over 4. This is cancel out. X equal 3 over 2. when x equal 3 over 2, when x equal 3 over 2, a is minus 3 over 2 from here or here. Okay, I will stay with this one. 1 over 4 minus 3 over 2 square. Sorry, plus 3 over 2 square plus 3 times 3 over 2 plus 10. So 1 over 4, this is 9 over 4 plus 9 over 2 plus 10. So when I take 4 out, this is 16, 9, this is going to be 18, and this is going to be 40. 19 plus 18 plus 9 plus 9, 40, 49 over 16, or 3, 1 over 16. So this is the second method you have to use. And when you finish differentiation, you can manage that way as well. Now question number 6, this is again the easy sum. First of all, rule area of triangle is half AB sine C, and then area of ABC equal half x times x plus 5 sine 150, and area of ABC equal 3 over 4. So then half x times x plus 5 sine 150 equal 3 over 4. So this is going to be sine 150 mean again 30 x over 2 x plus 5 half equal 15 over 4. So this is x plus 5 over 4, 15 over 4, 4 to 4 cancel out. X times x plus 5 equal 15, x square plus 5x minus 15 equal 0. So we have to use the quadratic formula. I can't see. I can factorize. So a equal 1, b equal 5, c equal minus 15, x equal minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac over 2a. We have to write the theory and then formula, and minus b minus 5, b square 5 square minus 4 times 1 times c is minus 15. If it is negative, always within the bracket, 2 times 1. So x equal minus 5 plus or minus the square root 85 over 2. So x equal 2.10 or x equal minus 7.10. So x can be negative as x is a distance, hence x equal 2.10. So answer is asking for 3 significant figures. This is 2019 and 99, then this is 211.